So I'm doing a review on the Shark POWERDETECT corded stick vacuum. It's the DuoClean and self-cleaning brush roll and odor neutralizer. I love this. I love vacuums and a vacuum nerd. And one of the features of my old vacuum was that this part, like the roller part, didn't come off, so I couldn't clean it. But it's really cool because this piece can come off now. And then it has a neutral odorizer. I have mini golden retrievers, so we get lots of vacuuming done. This is my other new feature that I absolutely love. Shark hit it on the nail when they put the wheels right here as a base, because I got tired of leaning up my vacuum against the wall and it would fall down. So this right here is a game changer. I feel like I have a Maserati of a vacuum cleaner right now. Then you could put your tools right there. Really super easy to get out, anti-allergen. But here is the cool part for being a vacuum nerd that I love. And I ran cleaning companies for years and years and years. And I've fallen in love with Shark, and I use it in my home all the time. But here's the part that I love. So I have it detect, it says on the rug. So vacuum your rugs, your carpet, and then change your screws to go off. And you transfer it to the floor, and it auto detects and puts it in floor mode. Vacuum the floor, go back on the rug, or your carpet, and puts it in carpet mode. How cool is that? And that little container holds a lot. So definitely, this is probably my new favorite upgrade of the vacuum and how it stands.
So here's a rug I've already vacuumed with my vacuum cleaner, and I always have dog hair left over. It never really comes out all the dog hair, so let's try this. Yes. Almost all the hair came out. Not bad at all. I know it's a dirty rug. It's all in there. Not bad. The only complaint I would have to say is when you do attachments on the end of these, right here, you attach these and there's no flexibility. So when you're doing this with the attachment, you can't bend it or move it like this or this. It's really just a solid piece. That's the only thing I would have to say I wish wasn't, or I could change. it won't.
I'm getting it.
No suction.